It's a 2016 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM stereo, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.